Bisa.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, are you ready for listen today? Hello?
Yes, I am.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Okay, this is the first hour meeting. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Raihatun Nikmah. You can call me Miss Likmah. Today we are going to learn about narrative text. Do you know what is narrative text? Hello?
Fabulous. Fairy tale.
Yes. Okay. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that past tense. Narrative text is a text that contains imaginary stories, fairy tales, or true stories that have been exaggerated. Usually, there is a moral value to be learned at the end of the story. Jadi, naratif teks itu adalah jenis teks imajinatif atau faktual. Cerita yang mungkin saja terjadi pada masa lalu dengan rangkaian peristiwa atau ceritanya dari waktu ke waktu dijabarkan secara kronologis atau berurutan. Jadi, teks naratif itu bisa berupa imajinasi dari penulis atau cerita yang benar-benar terjadi. Selanjutnya, the genre of narrative text. The first is fable. Fable, story about animal, cerita yang mengisahkan tentang binatang. Contohnya, lion and dove. Second, myth, cerita atau mitos yang berkembang dalam masyarakat yang dianggap faktual. Cerita ini biasanya benar-benar terjadi. Contohnya, Nyi Roro Kidul. And then, legend. Cerita rakyat yang mengisahkan asal-usul dari sebuah tempat. Contohnya, History of Tobalek. Then, folk tale. Cerita yang diceritakan secara turun-temurun sehingga menjadi tradisi masyarakat. Contohnya Malin Kundang. Selanjutnya, fairy tales atau dongeng. Dongeng ini merupakan cerita anak-anak yang mengandung unsur keajaiban terhadap para tokoh dan terdapat pesan moral dalam cerita tersebut. Contohnya Hansel and Gretel. Dan love story. Love story ini cerita cinta yang isinya mengangkat tentang perjuangan tokoh untuk memperoleh cinta utama dari tokoh utama, yaitu yang menjadi karakter dalam cerita tersebut. Contohnya yaitu The Story of Romeo and Juliet. Another genre of narrative text is about science fiction, history narrative, horror, slice of life, and the last, personal experience. What is the purpose of narrative text? Do you know what is the purpose of narrative text?
Sorry, Miss.
Yeah. To entertain the reader, amuse the reader, to teach moral value, to change social opinion. Jadi, tujuan dari naratif teks itu yaitu untuk menghibur pembaca, untuk membuat pembaca merasa senang, untuk mengajarkan nilai moral, dan untuk mengubah pandangan masyarakat tentang suatu kejadian. Then, generic structure of narrative text. The first is orientation. Second, complication or problem. And the last, resolution. Usually solving the problem of the story. Let's discuss more. The first, orientation. It set the scene and introduce the participant. It's answer the question who, when, what, and where. Jadi pada orientasi ini menceritakan tentang tokoh yang terdapat dalam cerita tersebut, waktu dan tempat. Yang kedua yaitu complication. Tell the problem of the story and how the main characters solve them. This part includes situation, activities, or even that lead problem to the climax. In stone, when the crisis arise. Pada complication ini menceritakan tentang bagaimana masalah tersebut terjadi. Masalah dalam cerita hingga pencapaiannya klimaks. And the last, resolution. The crisis is resolved for better or worse. It's so the end of the story, happy ending or sad ending. Pada resolution ini adalah akhir dari cerita. Bagaimana akhir dari cerita itu akhirnya nanti. Apakah ceritanya happy ending atau berakhir dengan kebahagiaan atau sebaliknya. Next, let's see the example of narrative text. You can see this example of narrative text. Oke.
Miss,
Ya.
dari tadi di slide-nya nggak berubah.
Belum berubah? Masih yang mana ini?
Atau hanya saya?
Masih.
Oh,
udah ganti ini.
baru ganti.
Udah kelihatan belum? Bisa dilanjut ya? Oke, pada paragraf pertama dan kedua ini menceritakan tentang tokoh utama, aktivitas sehari-hari, dan perjanjiannya yang dibuat dengan istrinya. Ini dinamakan dengan orientation. Selanjutnya, membahas tentang kehidupan keluarganya. Masalah muncul ketika ia memarahi anaknya yang secara tidak langsung melanggar janjinya kepada istrinya. Ditunjukkan dengan, you have been exactly like the doctor of the feast. And then, this is complication. And the last, membahas tentang akibat dari perbuatannya yang menyebabkan terjadinya bencana dan terbentuknya Danau Toba. Ini dinamakan resolution. Dari sini, apakah masih ada yang dibingungkan? Halo?
Nothing.
Oke. The language filter of narrative text. The first, use adverb of time. Example,
Slide-nya belum ganti lagi, Miss.
belum. Bentar ya.
Sudah.
Oke. Use adverb of time. Example, once upon time, once, once day, and etc. Use specific character. Example, Cinderella, Snow White, Alibaba, and etc. Then use direct speech. It is to make the story lively. Example, Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." And then use of adjective. To build noun group to describe the people, animals, or thing in the story. Example, a nice, diligent, and etc. And then use of time connective and conjunction. To sequence event through time. Example, however, although, later, then, and etc. Use of past tense.
Slide-nya belum pindah.
Belum ya. Ini kenapa ya sinyal saya sepertinya. Sudah bisa.
Sudah, Miss. Itu, Miss, kalau dipresentasikan itu tidak bisa. Karena share screen-nya itu cuma yang ini. Yang kalau show tidak bisa
gitu.
ngikut.
Iya, sebentar. Use of action, use of past tense. Example, Ajisaka went to the kingdom, measure the size of turban. And then use of action verb. Example, shoot, explain, profit, smash. And use of saying and thinking verb to indicate what characters are feeling, thinking, or saying. Example, thought, realize, decide. Bisa dilihat example of narrative text. This is example of narrative text about Toba Lake. This is used about of time, once upon a time. Use direct speech. You have exactly like the doctor of the feast. Use a specific character like Batara Guru. Terus selanjutnya use time connection and conjunction such as soon as, however, and etc. And then use a past tense like live, told, marriage, and did not. And the last, use saying and thinking verb. There are agreed and promise. Oke. Dari sini ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Halo?
Nothing, Miss.
Kalau tidak kita langsung ke praktiknya ya.
Yeah.
I have the narrative text. Once upon a time, a grandmother and her granddaughter lived in Roti Island, Nusa Tenggara Timur. They had offered grow some vegetable. The grandmother sold them at the market. In one morning, the grandmother would go to the market. Before she left, she asked her granddaughter to cook. Please cook some rice for lunch. But just cook 1 can of rice. It's enough for both us. Why, Grandma? Asked the girl. Just do what I said. The grandmother then left for the market. Later, the girl started to cook. However, she feared a grain of rice would not be enough for them. I think it's not enough for me and my grandmother. Then she took a handful of rice. Suddenly, something bad happened to the rice pot. Oh no, the rice flowed out of the pot. So the girl, what should I do? The rice became rice porridge. It flowed and flowed until it covered the kitchen. Suddenly, the grandmother came home. The girl explained what happened. You are not a girl. Why did you listen to me? The grandmother was so angry. She hit the girl with a wooden stick. Please forgive me, Mom. The little girl cried and cried, but grandmother kept hitting her. Then an incredible thing happened. The girl turned into a monkey. The monkey ran away and climbed a tree. The grandmother pressed it. From the tree, the monkey said, Grandmother, I'm monkey now. I cannot live with you anymore. You are all alone. The monkey leaf climbed up the disappeared. The grandmother was very sad. The regret what she had done to her beloved granddaughter. Please come back to me. Please forgive me, my granddaughter. But it was too late. The little girl has turned into a monkey and never come back to home. The people of Roti Island believe this story, and this is until now. People in the Roti Island never hit their children or other people's child. They are afraid that the child would turn into a monkey. Okay. Question number 1. What happened when the granddaughter cooked the rice? Ada yang ingin menjawab? Apa yang terjadi dengan anak perempuan tersebut?
D.
The porridge flooded the kitchen. Ya, benar. Jawabannya D. Untuk menjawab, kita harus melihat ya. Kan ini apa yang terjadi? Happen. Kita cari kata kuncinya happen. Di sini. Something bad happened to the rice pot. Okay, number 2. What is the purpose of the text above? Ada yang ingin jawab? Halo?
D.
D. To teach moral value with a story. Yes,
E.
that's right.
E.
B. Why B?
Nah. D.
Hmm? Cantika, jawaban kamu tadi apa? B ya?
B.
B? Kenapa B? Yang nomor 2 ini, what is the purpose of the text above? Mari kita lihat, teks ini tentang apa? Narrative text. Terus, purpose of the narrative text is about
D.
to teach moral value with a story.
D.
Oke, dari sini ada yang ingin ditanyakan?
No, Miss.
Okay, this is the end of our story today. Thank you for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mbak.